Goat food?
Yeah.
What do you got going on?
Goat food stand?
A goat food stand.
Yeah.
Pine needles.
Free goat food.
It's goat food. People love food.
What's going on, guys? Rick here, LaLa Farm, and we came out to a surprise this morning. Like I had said last video, which I did say, Dad made fun of me yesterday because I was saying like I said. That's my filler word. I'm gonna work on that. So anyway, like I said, we came out this morning. We had two mamas that had given birth. We had Fricka, which is an all red doe, and we had Aspen. Aspen's pretty standoffish towards humans, and so we're trying to keep the babies over by the barn. That way it kind of forces Aspen to be over here and keep the does or the bucklings. That's the only bad thing. We had 4 bucks last night, no does, all bucks. And so we're just kind of watching them this morning. I'm gonna try to get you guys some footage. I don't want to make Mama too mad. But I'm out here with Patrick. We got Nene and Papa. We just got done with breakfast. And so, like I said, I'm gonna try to get you guys some footage. I'm not gonna promise you nothing too close, just because, like I said, I don't want to upset Mama. So I'm pretty sure I'll probably be able to get pretty close to Fricka's babies. I don't know about Aspen. I might be asking too much. Got one baby over here. This is a Fricka baby. Fricka baby over there. Fricka baby. And then this is one of her other babies. Some of her other babies right here. They're still. Buddy. Buddy. He's still trying to get up on his front feet. This boy right here. That's Mama. Mama's mad right now. This boy right here, he's pretty cute. Okay, Mama. It's okay, Mama. I'm not gonna mess with him. We got a lot more does that are pregnant. It's just a matter of time before they start dropping. Have a lot more kids on the farm. Hopefully, as of right now, Einar, the two does that have given birth already that have kidded out are both Einars, and he's throwing all bucks right now. So it's not looking too good for Einar. She's definitely looking over those babies. I know they were way over on the opposite side of the farm, or on the opposite side of the pasture, and Papa and Nene went to go get them and brought them back. Aspen didn't realize that they had went and got them. So on the way back, they put them out here right by the barn, and Aspen just started going absolutely nuts, running back and forth. And so we had to work. She had to work her way back over here to us, but she finally found them. And once she found them, you know, she was fine at that point. like I said, Aspen's pretty standoffish towards humans. Monster's going absolutely nuts right now. He's over there. You can hardly see him. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? What are you doing? He wants to come visit.
What are you doing, Patrick?
Please.
You feeding the goat? That's 3.
More.
You've got more?
Yeah.
He's hungry, huh?
Bites.
Done feeding 3. Sorry, buddy. He's a good baby. He's a good baby.
So after all that working to get those bucklings up here from Aspen, she has now taken them all throughout there. She's got them back in the woods. So I don't know what we'll do, but it's not that big of a deal. It's not hurting anything, them being out there. I mean, that's natural. Like I said, their mama is not one of those that she's pretty standoffish towards humans, and so of course she's gonna try to get her babies to be standoffish towards humans, and that's shown with most of the goats that we've had. Pretty much all of the goats, all the kids that we've had so far, they kind of take their parents' traits. So if the mom is very standoffish, then you know the rest of them are standoffish. Her kids are standoffish. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was kind of a short one, more or less just showing you guys a couple babies. Told you guys it was coming. So we got some fencing done today. A couple videos knocked out. You guys will be seeing them soon. Got a really heartfelt one from LaLa coming out soon of what the farm means to her, and you know, what's the most important thing. So stay tuned for that. Got a it's like a multiple part series on doing some goat fencing. Me and my dad have been working pretty hard on that, trying to get it done so we can get these boys moved over there. I got to go out of town here this next week, so I won't be doing much on the farm, but I will I'll be back on it this coming weekend. Go ahead and put out some more footage for you guys, and we really appreciate all the all the support, comments and support. We appreciate the subscribes. You know, you guys make sure that if you feel as if there's a group that we're missing, that you feel as if our videos would benefit them, please make sure, just you know, share it if you got some time, if you feel like it, whatever. Any amount of helps us grow the channel, and also just, you know, it motivates us to continue to make these videos for you guys. We're enjoying sharing, and we enjoy sharing, and we enjoy just giving you guys knowledge, or giving you guys ideas, or asking you guys questions and getting your opinions. And you know, there's several things on this farm that if it wasn't for YouTube, or if it wasn't for you guys, it wouldn't be in place, just because it was your idea that kind of brought it to life. So again, like I said, make sure you guys like, comment, share if you feel like it, and make sure you guys subscribe, ring that bell so you guys can get notifications on future content. and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you guys again for watching. Rick out.